For this challenge, you'll need some household objects that can create different sound effects.
Then you'll need to choose your favorite character. It can be from a TV show, movie, book, or video game. Just be sure you know how that character moves.
Once you've decided how your favorite character moves, practice your walk.
After you've practiced your walk, now comes the sound effects. Think about what silly sound your character would make every time they move. Then pick a household object that can make that sound.
Once you've found your sound, try to walk like your character and make the noise for every step. Try to be as synchronized as possible.
After you've participated in this challenge, you can
share your video with us to our Dropbox using the instructions below.
Tell your teacher you participated during your weekly lesson.
Or have your parents email us to tell us that you participated.
Complete a challenge and get 1 tally. Remember, if the theater school gets 100 tallies by May 1st, you get to watch your teachers get a pie to the face.
We can't wait to find out how the challenge went for you.